Our log books make up 5% of total marks. Students who wish to apply for an extension should approach their tutors before the end of this week. Unfortunately, two of my favorite selective subjects clash on my timetable. Australian economy depends heavily on revenue from tourism and education. More graduate training is often needed after the university study is finished. The person sitting next to me wrote his name at the top of the paper. You need to finish this chapter before going to the field trip. By studying history, we can look at successes and mistakes to change our actions in the future. Novelists have a major role to play in reflecting their time to their readers. Leading companies have changed their policies after reports were released. Manufacturing industry is bigger than agricultural and fishing combined. We need to answer security questions if we want to reset the password. The report contains the most important information. Weather patterns have changed significantly over the past 200 years. Several copies must be supplied to the university department to fulfill the requirement. Statistical results should be expressed in different ways depending on the circumstances. The archaeologists' new discoveries stand out in previously overlooked foundations. The journalist students graduated from university can work in communication field. Our class is divided into 2 groups. You come with me, others stay here. The introduction is an important component of a good presentation. Read the safety instructions before using any equipment in the workshop. Recession triggers creativity and high rates of entrepreneurship due to past experience. The thesis statement must directly and clearly respond to the question or topic.
Technologies on biotechnology are of crucial importance in project developing. Organizational failure is considered in various perspectives in academic literature. Create a playlist of your favorite music to help you relax in difficult situations. Some economists argue that the entire financial system is fatally flawed. Companies want to protect their brand from negative comments. The qualification will be assessed by using a reference criterion approach. The department has higher than normal proportion of postgraduate students. All students are expected to attend 10 lab sessions per semester. Behind the group, there's a flat cart drawn by the mules. When launching a product, researching and marketing are very vital. The curriculum needed to be adjusted for development. Radio is a popular form of entertainment through the world. Some people regarded it as care while others regarded it as recklessness. Making a mistake is fine as long as you learn from it. Even now, some people remain unconcerned by the science of climate change. Americans have progressively found the growth in quantitative terms. Identity theft happens to thousands of people every year. The time of the maths lecture has been changed to 10:30. Relative humidity is the amount of moisture that the air can hold.
Any texts or references you make should be cited appropriately in the footnotes. I will come back to this point in a minute. There's clearly a need for further research in this field. Sea levels are expected to rise during the next century. Science is found in society all around the world. Enrolling a second major will increase the career options. The architectural numbers vary in that experiment. This course provides the opportunity to get valuable industry experience.